G'day, let's have a quick look at this Milwaukee Compact Torpedo Level. 6-inch in length, small yet very versatile. The whole body has just full aluminium construction, so really nicely done. Then on the top we've got 4 magnets, so these are rare earths, so really strong neodymium magnets. A big cutout here on the top as well as on every side to actually be able to see those vials, so that's really good to see there as well. Then let's flip it this way. So then on the bottom here, we've got this groove. You can see it's not flat, so you've got this groove. So this can fit on a pipe or on any round object. So if you're trying to take the level of that, you can just fit it and it will slide in and stay in there really well. So on this side, obviously that can move around, but here that can fit in very nicely. So there aren't any magnets on this side. There are only magnets on this other side, which are very nice and strong. So it'll hold the level up, no problem. Especially when you've got an actual flat surface and makes that contact and has all that friction holding it on. So the vials themselves, we've got a 0 degree here, 45, and then a 90. So they are very nice and easy to see. They've got that nice green high visibility tint to them. And then for the 0 degrees, we've also got line markings there for 10 and 20 degrees as well. So if I place that down, you should be able to see the workbench here is pretty level. So that should pretty much stay at that 0. And then actually it'd be hard to show because it's so far away, but there you can see that 10 and 20. I was just going to demonstrate using it, but it's a little bit too far to see. So that's good to see there. And then with the 45 as well, it's got this cutout here. So you can see that that's diagonally cut out as well. So if you are trying to get something to 45 degrees, you can see you guys have a really good view of that. You can see it's perfectly level and that'll keep that 45-degree angle there. And then for the 90 degrees, you can also stand the level on this side here like that. So you can stand it like that, and then you can use that 90 degree up here to actually level something out or to put it on a pipe this way and then obviously find that level that way. The other thing that we've got up the top here is we've just got this ruler. So this is just in the metric, so it goes up to 15 centimeters there. And this can come in really handy as just a straight edge as well. So especially this side here has a little machining, but if you need a straight edge or just a little bit of a ruler, you can also use that just to quickly draw a straight line. So really nice, small bit, versatile. It's quite light. It's made out of aluminium, so it's obviously not really going to corrode or rust, have any of those issues. It will get dirty over time, but no problem with exposed to moisture. So there you go, another quick look. And that's just a quick review of this Milwaukee Compact Torpedo Level.